our wonderful students today. Before coming to our main activity today, firstly, let us introduce ourselves first. So we are here from the Universitas Islam Kalimantan, Muhammad Arsyad Al-Badr Banjarmasin, one of preferred universities in Indonesia. We are under Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, and today we will be conducting our community service in your hand. You call it community extension. Okay, and then today our community service is done by the Major of Counseling and Guidance. Okay, and then since our speaker today, I'm really sorry to inform you guys that not all of us are able to speak English well, so we will be using bilingual here and into English. It will be okay?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Yes, okay. Oh, please.
Selamat sore, good afternoon.
Okay.
Selamat pagi, selamat sore. Kita berkumpul pada hari ini. Terima kasih atas kedatangan kakak di sini.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Rani. Thank you so much for attending this meeting today.
Kita hari ini akan melaksanakan konseling kelompok. Tahu konseling kelompok?
Yeah, group counseling. So today we are going to conduct group counseling. You know group counseling? Yes. Okay, alright.
Ya, konseling kelompok adalah proses bantuan yang diberikan oleh konselor berupa kelompok kecil yang untuk memecahkan permasalahan pribadi maupun permasalahan interpersonal
Okay, alright. So guys, let's define what is actually group counseling. So group counseling is a psychological assistant process conducted in a small group setting like this, only 5 of you guys, where the counselor facilitates interaction among members to help them understand themselves, develop social skills, and psychological assistant process conducted in a small group setting like us here, where a counselor facilitates interaction among members to help them understand themselves, develop social skills, and resolve personal as well as interpersonal problems. And this is the definition of group counseling. Okay, next.
Sebelum kita melanjutkan pertemuan kita hari ini, lebih baik kita perkenalan dulu ya, satu persatu. Yang pertama perkenalkan, my name is Ani Wanda dari Guidance dan Counseling Banjarmasin, Indonesia. Silahkan Mbak Mas.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, so now for the introduction, our counselor, Dr. Ani is our counselor today, right? And then she introduced herself that she is from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Counseling and Guidance Study Program. So now it's your turn to introduce yourself one by one. For the first, okay?
Good afternoon, everybody, and how do you see the role of basic knowledge?
So good afternoon everyone. I am Christine Mutabang, a second year BS Psychology.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. I am Alina Ramsho B. Aquino, third year student from the BS Psychology program.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. My name is Audrey Angie, second year BS Psychology.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Princess May Edith Melani. I'm a second year student from the BS Psychology
Terima kasih. Terima kasih dulu ya. Object of group counseling, personal development, behavioral improvement, social skill, prevention, and development.
Okay, alright. All our wonderful students is for objective prevention and development. Then those are our objective of group counseling result. Alright.
Ya, adapun adapun tahapan dari konseling grup, ya, konseling kelompok yang pertama ada 4 tahapan. Yang pertama adalah tahap pembentukan, itu sekitar 10-15 menit, yaitu tujuannya adalah membangun suasana aman dan nyaman, membangun rasa saling percaya, menetapkan kontrak kelompok, dan mempersiapkan kelompok masuk ke tahap eksplorasi. Ya, terus yang kedua menyampaikan tujuan, ya, menyampaikan tujuan. Dan ketiga menetapkan ajas kerahasiaan, dan yang keempat adalah ice breaking. Dan tahapan yang kedua adalah tahap transaksi. Transaksi 10 menit itu mengajukan pertanyaan tematik, dan anggota mulai berbagi dan menggali perasaan dan menggali lebih dalam dengan klarifikasi konselor.
Okay. Alright. So there are 4 stages of group counseling. 4. There are 4. Okay. Remember there are 4. The first one is formation stage or forming or initial stage. Then member introduction that you have already done. And the second one is explanation of goals, rules, and confidentiality principle. And the last one for the performance stage is building a sense of safety and trust. It's quite hard for us to share our problem, right? If we don't trust someone, right? So all of us must trust each other here. Okay? And then for the second one, or the second stage is transition